Welcome to the ultimate guide on Google NotebookLM, the mind-blowing AI note-taking tool that's going to change the way you study, work, and research. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is NotebookLM? First things first, what is Google NotebookLM? It's an AI-powered notebook designed to help you understand and interact with your own documents, whether it's PDFs, Google Docs, or notes. Think of it like having your own personal research assistant, available 24/7. Part 2. Getting started. To start using NotebookLM, go to notebooklm.google.com. Log in with your Google account. Once inside, click New Notebook and give it a name. Now here's where the magic begins. You can upload your files directly or import content from Google Docs. Part 3. Adding sources. Click on Add Sources to upload your materials. NotebookLM supports PDFs, Google Docs, and even text notes. Once uploaded, the AI scans and understands your content, and you can start asking it questions instantly. Part 4. Asking questions. Now the fun part. Asking questions. Need a summary? Just type, "Summarize this document." Looking for key points? Ask, "What are the main takeaways?" Want clarification? Try, "Explain this paragraph in simple terms." NotebookLM responds instantly, like chatting with a genius. Part 5. Taking notes with AI. You can take notes right inside the tool while referencing your source materials. Highlight, copy, summarize, all in one place. NotebookLM helps organize your ideas, cite your sources, and keep your brain uncluttered. Part 6. Use cases. Students can summarize entire textbooks. Writers can brainstorm using source material. Researchers can analyze documents faster. Professionals can prep reports or presentations with smart insights. Part 7. Pro tips. Use clear and specific questions for better answers. Break down complex queries into smaller ones. And don't forget, your data stays private. Google NotebookLM is designed with user privacy in mind. That's it. You're now ready to master Google NotebookLM, the future of AI note-taking. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Until next time, stay smart and stay productive.